Welcome back to the EZducate Tool Guide series. In this video, we'll take a look at the Social Stories tool and show you how easy it is to create engaging, personalized stories that help children understand social situations, build confidence, and navigate everyday experiences. Social stories are a widely used support strategy that help children learn what to expect in different situations, understand social expectations, and develop important life skills through clear, structured, and visual storytelling. Let's get started. From the EZducate dashboard, click on Social Stories. The first thing you'll see is your Social Stories library, where all previously created stories are stored and ready to use. You can quickly find a specific story by using the search bar at the top, or browse through your collection using the category filters. To open a story, simply click on it. The story opens in the Reader view, where you can move through the pages using the arrows on the left and right sides of the screen. At the top, you'll find several useful tools to enhance the reading experience. You can listen to the story using the built-in reading voice, adjust the voice settings, save stories to your favorites, personalize story settings, edit the story, share it with others like caregivers or teachers, and finally print or delete the story when needed. You'll also find a full screen button that allows you to present the story for a more immersive reading experience. Now let's create a new story. From the Social Stories main page, click Create New Story. The first step is selecting who the story is for and choosing a story category. For this example, we'll select Transitions and Change. Next, choose how you would like to create your story. EZducate gives you two options. You can start from a professionally designed template or create a completely custom story by describing your own situation and allowing EZducate AI to build the story for you. For this example, we'll choose Use a Template. Below, you'll see recommended templates related to your selected category. We'll choose First Day of School and click Next. The next step is personalizing the story. Here you can customize the title, refine the scenario, and personalize the main character. You can enter the child's name or nickname, select pronouns, and add details that help make the story feel more familiar and meaningful. As you add more information, you'll notice a quality meter on the screen. This meter helps guide you toward creating a more personalized and effective story. The more relevant details you provide about the child, their preferences, interests, relationships, and situation, the higher the quality score will be. For our example, we'll create a story for Nora. We'll include that Nora's best friend will be at school and that she's starting grade 5 this year. Adding these personal details helps EZducate create a story that feels relevant and relatable to the child. Once you're happy with the details, click Next. Now it's time to customize how the story looks. First, choose a visual style. For this example, we'll select Simple, which is a great option for matching Nora's age and language abilities. Next, choose the number of pages. We'll create an 8-page story this time. You can also select the number of story suggestions you'd like EZducate to generate. These suggestions provide different variations of the same story concept. For this example, we'll just generate one. When everything is ready, click Generate Social Story. EZducate AI now combines all the information you've provided to create a personalized social story complete with custom text and illustrations. In just a few seconds, your story is ready. Once generation is complete, you'll be taken to the Review and Editing page. The first tab is the Pages tab. At the top of this page, you'll see helpful information about the generated story, including quality indicators and how closely the story aligns with Carol Gray's social story guidelines, helping you ensure the content follows established best practices. Below that, you can review every page of the story, including both the illustrations and the written content. This gives you the opportunity to make sure the story matches your goals and reflects the child's needs. Once you're satisfied with the results, click Save Story. On the next screen, click Save Social Story to add it to your library. After saving, you can immediately open your story by clicking View Story. Here you'll see the completed story displayed as a polished, easy-to-read experience with engaging visuals and personalized text. Each page works together to guide the child through the situation in a supportive and structured way. When you're ready to read the story together, click the Full Screen button. This expands the story to fill the screen, creating a distraction-free experience that's perfect for working one-on-one with a child at home, in the classroom, or during therapy sessions. The built-in narration and page navigation tools make it easy to move through the story at the child's own pace. Every social story includes a built-in caregiver coaching guide, designed to help caregivers reinforce learning beyond the story itself. Located at the end of each story, the guide includes teaching objectives, key vocabulary, comprehension questions, discussion prompts, practical tips, and real-world activities to help children apply what they've learned. Together, the Social Story and Caregiver Coaching Guide create a complete learning experience that supports understanding, confidence, and skill development across home, school, and therapy settings. Thank you for watching this EZducate Social Stories guide. With just a few simple steps, you can create personalized social stories that help children prepare for new experiences, build confidence, and develop important social and life skills. To explore the Social Stories tool and discover everything else EZducate has to offer, sign up today at EZducate.ai. We'll see you in the next EZducate tool guide.